You are going to love the 2015 Boxster. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear fog light, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.